Hello friends, it's me Rhoda Snyder, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make omelette sandwich. So the first step, we are going to break 2 eggs. This is supposed to serve one person. Whisk the eggs together. Add salt to taste and continue whisking until it's properly mixed. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil on your pan. The heat should be medium. Spread out the oil so that it covers most of the pan. The reason I'm doing this is to prevent the bread from sticking onto the pan. After that is done, put your 2 slices of bread. Let them cook for 3 seconds. Then add your egg mixture on top. The egg mixture should be on top of the bread and also on the pan. Just making sure that all the bread is covered with the egg. Continue spreading it out as it cooks and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can flip it so that the other side can be cooked also. Be gentle while flipping so that it does not break in the middle. As you can see, this side is well cooked, so let's leave it for about 2 minutes and let the downer part be cooked also. Press it gently just to ensure that it's well cooked. You can move it around in the pan so that it gets cooked properly, all the edges, all the central parts. Flip the other side, and just like that it's done. Fold the egg parts onto the bread like I'm doing right now. After folding the eggs, then put the bread on top of the slice of bread. This is a very simple, quick and easy breakfast recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe. If you have enjoyed watching, hit the like button. Remember to share. You can also comment and tell me what you think about it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more of my updates, more of the videos. Bye.